how can HX50 be so affordable? Well, fundamentally, HX50 is the first clean sheet helicopter in decades. Everything about this aircraft is new technology. We have our own new technology engine that draws from a lot of automotive experience in terms of its manufacturing processes. We have a brand new composite fuselage that, rather than being comprised of thousands of little mechanical components, it comes down to 11 key components that are bonded together. We have full manufacturing of the entire helicopter in-house, so we're not held ransom by suppliers of key pieces of equipment, engines or instruments or what have you, from traditional aerospace OEMs. So we've fully captured, we've taken full control of everything to do with the manufacturing process and brought it bang up to date with the best that industry can offer in any sector of the manufacturing business.